Currently, we live in a time of year ever-increasing crime rates, from large-scale events like gang violence and shootings to smaller yet incredibly annoying events like muggings. However, while the crime rate is ever-increasing, we're not even aware of most events, as only large-scale events are shown on the news. And even then, it takes a while before it's even broadcasted. Wouldn't it be much easier if just from the click of an app, all nearby emergencies could pop up and making you aware of possible shooting nearby or informing you that the current location you're in is infamous for gang violence? With these issues in mind, me and my team decided to create a Crime X, a mobile application allowing you to always stay informed through the use of three features: an interactive map, which shows the user's current location as well as all nearby emergencies, and we also implemented the place where you can report. So here you can say it's an accident. A description: two cars colliding. And how dangerous is the crime? Let's say it's a 3. It's not that dangerous, it's just a small accident. We report and we get a successful. We can also not write this, it's an optional thing, so it will be successful. But if we don't write anything, then it won't be successful. And the live news feed that's currently in the process of being implemented, which will display local news in the real time to always keeping you informed. This is our first hackathon to ever attend, and it's been a blast. So I would like to thank every person who worked on making this event one of a kind. Thank you.